Hello friends, Javad Nagda here from Fin-Rizon Management Consulting with another quick tutorial on how we can use the index match combination to not just detect if there are any errors in a given array, but also figure out which error is that. So we prepared this worksheet in our class to figure out which array has errors by using this ISERROR function along with some other functions. And we were able to identify this row containing an error by a true answer. And one of my students asked me if we can instead return with the error type that we encountered. And so I was able to figure this out. And here's how we can do this. First of all, we are going to use a match argument using true as the lookup value. And we know the array, but this time we are going to define the array by using this function is error, and our array will be from column C to column H. And we're going to match the exact, we're going to take the exact match. There you go. And with this, you can see every other row will return an error, and the one which had an error returns the index number. So by using this with an index function, and giving the same array as the index array, and the index number is the argument produced by match function, and we can just close the parentheses here, and there you go. So the only row that had an error has now returned us the exact name of the error that had occurred. Hopefully you like it. Keep watching us, keep following us. We'll be posting more updates pretty soon.